Welcome to our lesson on geometry. Today, we are going to learn about a very specific and important angle called the right angle. We will understand its measure and how to identify it. So, what exactly is a right angle? In geometry, a right angle is an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. It is the type of angle you see at the corner of a square or a rectangle. Mathematicians have a special way to show a right angle without writing the number 90 every time. We draw a small square box at the vertex or corner of the angle. When you see this square symbol, it means the angle is exactly 90 degrees. Right angles are formed when two lines cross each other in a specific way. When two lines intersect to make right angles, we say they are perpendicular. You can think of perpendicular lines looking like the letter T or a plus sign. An easy trick to spot a right angle is to look for the capital letter L. It does not matter if the L is upside down, sideways, or backward. If the corner looks like an L, it is likely a right angle. Another way to understand a right angle is by turning. Imagine a full circle, which is 360 degrees. If you take a quarter turn, or 1/4 of that circle, you have turned exactly 90 degrees. You can find right angles all around you in the real world. Look at the corners of a window frame, the corners of a book, or the corners of a door. Most rectangular objects are built using right angles. It helps to compare right angles to other types of angles. An acute angle is smaller than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is larger than 90 degrees, but a right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Let us recap what we learned. A right angle is exactly 90 degrees and is marked with a square symbol. It looks like the letter L and represents a quarter turn of a circle. Remember to look for that square corner.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.